Today we're going to take a look at a Schluter kit, which is really great if you have a bathtub or an acrylic shower base. This kit goes really well with it. So what Schluter does is waterproof your walls essentially, so you can tile right on these substrates. With this kit, you are getting 101 square feet of this 1/2-inch Schluter Kerdi board. I love using this product because it's super light. You can bond the tiles right to this. It's really easy to cut out around all of your fixtures. You just have to use a knife. You don't have to use a saw or any kind of mechanical tools like that. So a knife is all you need. You get screws and washers to attach this to the studs. So you need a Phillips bit to attach these screws. They fit in the washers like so. These lines are so you can line up exactly where your studs are. These press in, and then you just put your screw into the stud. Now you want these to be depressed just a little bit so that when you put your thin set over top of this with some Kerdi band, it'll be waterproof. Now talking about Kerdi band, you get 98 lineal feet of Kerdi band. So you have to use this product to go over all of your joints as well as over your screws. So you just cut it into squares, put some thin set, and apply it to your screws. Really easy to use. There's all kinds of instructions on the actual Kerdi website how to do this. Next off, we've got a couple different sizes for your extrusions. So this one right here is for your shower head. Shower head pokes out like this. This again will get thin setted right to this board. And then this is a larger one for your controller. Now you don't have to use these, but if it fits, it's recommended because it will help shed that water away. So I use these as much as I possibly can. Next, we get a couple tubes of the Kerdi Fix. This is a really great product to attach the Kerdi band to your tub. So when you've got this board coming down right onto your tub, let's say this table is the tub, and you have to have your Kerdi band come down onto that tub to waterproof that edge, especially if your tub doesn't have a water lip on it, then you want to use the Kerdi band and the Kerdi Fix to make sure you got a nice waterproof joint. This can also be used on all kinds of things like waterproofing around these. It's just endless what this product can do. Now they also give you some thin set to apply all this. I don't have it here, but they do give you the all set thin set by Schluter, which is a really great product. It goes on smoothly, effortlessly, and I love it. All right, guys, I hope the video was helpful. Until next time, keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.